An eSIM is a digital SIM card that's built directly into your device. Unlike traditional physical SIM cards, eSIMs offer instant activation and make switching carriers much easier. Most eSIM activations start with scanning a QR code provided by your carrier. This QR code contains all the information needed to download and activate your digital SIM profile. When you receive your QR code from Mint Mobile, you'll typically scan it using your phone's camera. Here's what the setup process looks like on most devices. If your QR code isn't scanning properly, there are several common solutions. First, ensure you have adequate lighting and keep your hands steady while scanning. If the camera app isn't working, try using your device's built-in QR scanner. On iPhones, go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan. On Android devices, look for similar options in your network settings. If you're getting an invalid QR code error, the most common cause is that your QR code has expired. Mint Mobile QR codes are typically valid for 30 days from when they're generated. To fix invalid QR code errors, contact Mint Mobile customer service to request a new QR code. Make sure you specify your exact plan details and verify that you're using the QR code that matches your specific activation. If QR code scanning continues to fail after trying these solutions, don't worry. There are alternative activation methods available, including manual entry options that we'll explore next. When your eSIM activation stalls or times out, network connectivity is usually the culprit. The first step is ensuring you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during the activation process. If connectivity issues persist, clearing your network settings often resolves activation problems. This process resets all Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations to factory defaults. Android users can find similar reset options in their device settings. Look for Reset Network Settings in the System or General Management section, depending on your device manufacturer. The cellular plan cannot be added error typically indicates device compatibility or unlock issues. First, verify your device is unlocked and compatible with Mint Mobile's network. When QR code scanning fails, manual activation is your most reliable solution. This method has a 92% success rate and bypasses common scanning issues. The manual activation form requires two key pieces of information from Mint Mobile: the SMDP Plus address and your unique activation code. These are provided in your activation email or customer portal. Manual activation resolves most persistent eSIM issues. If problems continue after trying these solutions, contact Mint Mobile support for device-specific assistance. Remember to keep your activation codes secure and don't share them with others.